All right, it's day 4 of our week-long spring home improvement series, which also translates to Thursday.
Yeah, and this morning it's all about making a splash with a brand new pool or a spa.
Back with all of us once again, the host of To Catch a Contractor and home improvement expert, Skip Bedell.
Morning, Skip.
We're here, guys.
You know, if somebody watching right now, if they wanted to, they could actually have an in-ground pool by the time they come home or...
Guys, this is unbelievable. San Juan Pools can do it in one day. You go to work in the morning, you come home, you can actually have an in-ground pool at your house delivered and filled the same day. It's amazing. It used to take a month to do an in-ground pool.
Right.
These guys can do it in the same
How do
day.
they do that? They just dig a big hole and
They
put it in
dig
there?
the hole, they drop it in, and they fill it. Look at this one. It's a 12 by 25 pool with a built-in spa.
How much
you got
is
a
this
two for
thing?
a pool and spa.
Does it come with a lifeguard?
Yeah, you're the lifeguard. This thing is unbelievable. They drop it
How
right
much
in.
is that one?
Sorry?
How much is this?
So the pricing is all on the website. It depends on the size of the pool. There's over
How many
100 models
types?
you can choose from.
Sure, one of the things, though, to heat a pool can be expensive unless you've got solar
They have a
panels.
brand new system. This is a cool PV, so check this out. This creates 20% more than a regular solar panel to electrify your whole house, but it also heats the pool at the same time. So it cycles the water through the panel, up on your roof, heats the pool, and then cools the panel and electrifies your house.
All right,
So
Skip,
mandatory
this is a
in
10-person
California
spa?
soon.
So this is the Montreal. This is a 10-person spa.
Wow.
Look at this thing.
Wow.
You can use this as a pool or a spa. Again, dig the hole, put it in. They can set this up the same day.
You realize we have a NAFTA segment? We got a San Juan pool and a Montreal
And
pool.
San Juan, you got it.
But
Right
you know
here on the
what?
plaza, guys.
That's the worst thing about a hot tub is they're so small that it gets
10
uncomfortable.
people you can put in this thing.
Right.
Guys, I got to tell you about this. This is an above ground
I love
pool.
that.
This is a patio pool above
wow.
ground. So look at this. It's dug in 18 inches. So it's actually 40 inches deep. When you dig it in the ground, this sits right on your patio. This comes ready to swim the same day. They put it right on your patio. It's ready to go, just like you see it. You put it right on top of your pavers and you're done.
Above ground pools used to be just that circular that was
Look how deep
not
it is, though.
super attractive.
This all goes in the ground.
And this is nice.
This is the
Like the
Sedona.
brick.
This is by the way, this is coming home with me today.
Wait.
This is going at the Bedell
really?
house. Oh yeah. San Juan Pools. These guys are great. 100 models.
Summer's coming, leave it here. SkipBedell.com for
All right.
more information. Skip, thank you very much.
More
Thanks a lot,
FOX
guys.
Friends.
San Juan
Right
Pools.